sing your letters with me.
Let's learn A to Z. Ooh.
This is letter A. This is letter B.
B.
This is letter C.
C.
This is letter D.
D.
This is letter E.
E.
This is letter F.
F.
This is letter G.
G. This is letter H. This is letter I. This is letter J. This is letter K. This is letter L. This is letter M. This is letter N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
W.
X, Y, Z.
This is letter O. This is letter P.
P.
This is letter Q.
Q.